education, qualification, skills.
Like a mother.
Like a mother.
Patients, sir, they face a lot of problems while traveling to Wazirabad for cardiology.
Thank you, DC Gujarat, Safdar and Virk, angioplasty, angiography. It's my dream to build a state-of-the-art. We have more than 3 million population in Gujarat. One is a 60-bedded dialysis center at the 3rd floor of the trauma center. It's my dream. And
like, what do you see in future about Aziz Bhatti?
Future is very bright. I am hopeful. All the patients admitted in this hospital.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं असद शाहिद और आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज़ पाकिस्तान की आवाज़। नाजरीन, आज जिस शख्सियत के साथ मैं मौजूद हूं, इस टाइम अजीज़ भट्टी शहीद हॉस्पिटल में एज MS अपनी सर्विसेज अंजाम दे रहे हैं। मैं मौजूद हूं डॉक्टर अयाज नासिर चौहान के साथ। सर से जानेंगे उनका सफ़र, इससे पहले कहाँ पे पोस्टिंग थी, अजीज़ भट्टी कितने आए हुए कितना अरसा हुआ, क्या चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं और क्या देख रहे हैं इसका फ्यूचर, इनको गवर्नमेंट कैसे रिस्पांस कर रही है, इन्हीं से जानेंगे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
कैसे हैं सर आप?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Okay, sir. My first question is like when you were where you were posted before Aziz Bhatti?
Thank you very much. I have 19 years service, and most of them is in primary and secondary healthcare department. And I have worked and served as a DHO Gujarat for 6 years before this appointment. And from 24th of April 2024, I am serving here in Aziz Bhatti Hospital.
How's your experience so far?
Definitely, the situation was very worst. When I took charge, there were a lot of issues, challenges, but Alhamdulillah, in last couple of months, I am able to resolve these issues. But some issues, especially related to janitorial staff, that's mean cleanliness, I'm still facing that issue, but inshallah after 20 days we will compete or we will inshallah resolve.
So please tell us like what kind of challenges were here other than cleanliness, and how many challenges you have overcome in the last few months?
The main challenge was the security issue. When I came here, there were more than 6 theft cases, and the main issue was that this previous security was unable to caught these people, and even they were involved in theft. So I wrote multiple times to DC Gujarat and TPO Gujarat, and thank you DC Gujarat, Safdar and Virk and DPO. They helped me at each and every step, and I was able to control these thefts and these type of other criminal activities because of their support. And now when we have new security agency from Pakistan Rangers, they are able to catch these type of elements. And definitely
talking about the thefts, like what kind of thefts were there? Was the equipment getting stolen, or was it the patients who were admitted in the hospital, were they getting stolen or by the thieves?
Excellent question. It's starting from the copper pipe for oxygen.
Copper pipe for oxygen?
Yes, these pipes are the main vital lines for the patient who is on oxygen. So they are at night, they just cut these pipes and left that ward or these beds without oxygen. So fortunately that ward was not functional at that time. Otherwise we could have a lot of health emergencies regarding.
So you mean to say the previous agency was also, security agency was also involved in all these thefts? So now luckily, as there is a new agency, so now the situation is under control.
Yes. As they took charge, almost 99.9% we are able to control these type of activities.
Criminal activities.
Yes.
You mean. Well, it's a very sad thing that this kind of happenings in a hospital. I don't know from where these people carry a heart. It's such a bad thing. Anyways, so my next question, sir, you were saying that you were facing two challenges mainly. One was cleanliness and the second one was security. So now how, if you rate it in percentage, what percentage you have took over the challenges?
I will add something special, and that is all the patients admitted in this hospital, they are taking treatment absolutely free. Not even a single syringe or not even a single tablet. You can just ask them about these facilities, whether they've bought from the outside, or we providing from.
Well, definitely we are going to do that.
Yeah. So inshallah, you will be happy to listen them. So my main responsibility is that all the services should be given free, especially to those who are admitted in a hospital.
It's like a sign of sympathy from your side, actually. You are having that golden heart which feels for the needy. People, when they come to hospital, they are in very poor or miserable situation. People, they do not have proper funds. Some people, they can't even reach hospital. So it's a very kind gesture from your side. So next question to you, how much government is participating in all this act?
99% is government is helping me, because only 1% or less than 1% maybe is from the philanthropist, as you need huge resources, and the people of private people can't afford this heavy price. So it's a government, it's a CM, it's a local governments, district government, and all other support.
Are there any NGOs also involved in this activity?
Yes. Until now, I want to share my good experience regarding trauma center. Imtiaz Saab, Imtiaz Kausar Saab. The trauma center is the state-of-art health facility for the emergency, and you can't find this type of 5-star luxury emergency in any other city of.
Yeah, we have actually witnessed it. Yeah. It's like very quick, and it's same like you are going in an emergency which is in foreign countries. So it's like a very nice thing for people of Gujarat.
Absolutely right. And the second one is Mia Ajmal Saab. He is from Chakpindi. He also supporting us. And this third person is Mirza Imran. His new project is Korean green grass lawn. So he is using a huge amount of money for this reason, for this cause, good cause. So almost it's more than 1 million that he is going to spend.
The planting campaign, you mean?
Planting campaign, and he is preparing a lawn where he will plant a lot of trees, flowers, and green grass, Korean green grass.
Where exactly, sir?
It's in the center of the this hospital facility.
Wow, that's amazing news actually. Yes. Patients, they need of fresh oxygen, and especially those people who are with the patients, they are mentally exhausted to see their relatives or loved ones in pain, painful situation.
You understand very well what I want to do there, and I want to do for them, those who are visiting and those who are visitors, they are attendants of the patients, and even the doctors, those who feel they are exhausting, so they can spend some time in the green grass or in the lawn, then maybe they will feel happy or they will feel refreshed, revitalized, and then they can come again for the patient care.
Every hospital should have something like this, which refreshes your mind, because it's very painful experience and very disturbing experience when you see your loved ones in pain. So, like, what do you see in future about Aziz Bhatti?
Future is very bright. I am hopeful. When you are working very hard, then you have to understand the future is very bright. But I need some more philanthropists, more support from local people. I have two projects in my mind. One is a 60-bedded dialysis center at the 3rd floor of the trauma center. It's my dream. And second dream,
It's your personal dream.
yes, but I will, inshallah, I will build it with the help of philanthropists or with the government.
We will definitely support you in that.
Yes, I have already started work on that. And second is the a new project is angioplasty angiography. It's my dream to build a state-of-the-art angiography center, as we have more than 3 million population in Gujarat, and not only Gujarat, but JLM is Azad Kashmir is training here. Additionally, you can say the Mandi Bahauldin is a patient training in this hospital. So this facility will not only be for Gujarat.
Here you made me ask my another question. Which departments will join Aziz Bhatti in future?
Nephrology and interventional cardiology, they are the most favorable departments which we need to develop, or which we need to try to establish.
A lot of patients, sir, they face a lot of problems while traveling to Wazirabad for cardiology. So, do you believe that cardiology should be inside the city?
This is why what I am saying, because when we have any type of emergency, then we need not to go far away from the city. When there is a
It's hard to travel for the patient.
when there is a traveling, there is a lot of risk of
Heart failure.
or losing a person. So that's why the trauma center is facilitating medical emergency, surgical emergency, neuro ortho. But specifically, nephrology department and the cardiology department, they are next in my pipeline.
Very good, sir. We wish you luck for that. What's your message for young doctors?
Yes. I know most of the young people are leaving the Pakistan, but
Which is sad.
which is sad. But I want to say them, this country gave you education, qualification, skills
Like a mother.
like a mother. So they have to serve here. They have to develop this country. They have to advance this country, and they have to serve for this country.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Okay. Last but not the least, we will finish it. We will wrap it up here. Anything for Pak News?
Pak News, as I know from last 6-7 months, they are really active in my all philanthropist activities. They definitely helping me to promote my vision, my thoughts. So this is the only media which promote my thoughts, my dreams, and they help me to how you can say, they help me to do what I want to actually do.
We are actually with all the people like having a vision like you, doing something for the society, doing something for the needy people, because needy people are a must for the society. Without them, Allah is not happy. If you do not serve them, Allah is not happy, plus your deep inside is not happy. Like, what's the purpose of the life? So, thank you so much, sir. We were having.
So, I want to say
Yeah,
thank
sure.
you very much for Haji Saab, for cameraman, and for you, that you are sharing my views, my thoughts for future, especially to join the new philanthropist. I have a request. I need 2 or 3 machines for cleanliness. Machines that you maybe saw at airport. A person is sitting.
You mean the floor cleaners?
Floor cleaner, buffer. That is, I need almost 3 machines. So, if someone can send me that machines or help me to buy that, so I will thankful you and your team and the people, those who will help. Thank you very much.
So we were having MS, Mr. Dr. Ayaz Nasir Chauhan with us. He was giving a beautiful message for youth, especially, and then he was having a request for social workers or philanthropists that if somebody can help in buying the machines, the sweeping machines, the floor machines, or in any kind, he is up to you guys. He is always available. He's really hardworking. He described how he faced challenges and what upcoming challenges are, and he's doing a great job. This is it from Pak News.